is Thea and I'm a training specialist at Tom Pitt. In today's video, I'm going to talk about sets. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is a set, how to create a set in Tom Pitt, and how to use and manage sets in Tom Pitt. In the Tom Pitt system, sets play a pivotal role in inventory management by combining different semi-products or raw materials into a single unit. One of the primary advantages of using sets is the simplification of inventory management. Sets are particularly useful when receiving materials for a complete product. Instead of receiving each component separately, which can be time-consuming and prone to mismanagement, businesses can receive a complete set. This streamlines the receiving processes, ensuring all necessary components are accounted for and available for assembly. While sets offer the convenience of combined materials, they also provide flexibility. If needed, these sets can be disassembled, allowing businesses to use the individual components separately. This is beneficial in situations where certain parts of the set are required for different purposes or where there is a need to replace a specific component. Additionally, it is easier to locate and retrieve a set from storage compared to searching for each part individually. For businesses involved in assembling products, sets can significantly enhance the assembly process. Having all necessary components grouped together in a set means that workers do not need to spend time gathering each part separately. This leads to faster assembly times, increased productivity, and reduced chances of missing components during the assembly process. For example, imagine a company that manufactures and sells custom furniture. When the company orders a set for an oak dining table, they receive all the necessary components together: 4 table legs, a tabletop, and the required screws and fittings. This set simplifies their inventory management by reducing the need to track each part separately. When it's time to assemble the table, all the parts are ready available in one package, streamlining the assembly process and ensuring no components are missing. If needed, the set can be disassembled to use the parts for other projects, providing flexibility in their inventory usage. Now let's see how this works in Tom Pitt. You can access sets through the logistics domain, selecting Management, Materials, and lastly, the Sets icon. On the left, you can see 2 drop-down menus, one for the material type and one for entity. By selecting a material type, let's say product, and selecting an entity, for example, Ashwood table, the center of the page displays the set components. So the Ashwood table consists of 4 table legs, 1 tabletop, and aluminium edge detail. In case the product was not in a set, the page will not display any components. Let's see how that would look. Selecting Pinewood table, as we can see, there are no material listed in the center of the page. If you want to create a set for this product, click on the blue action button on the bottom right corner of the page. An input field opens. First, select the material type you want to add to the set. I'm going to choose semi-product. In the entity drop-down menu, I will choose Pinewood table leg. And lastly, choose the quantity you want to assign to the set. In my case, 1 full table has 4 legs. To save the component to the set, select the Add button. To add more components, just repeat the process. The sets are automatically saved and do not need additional saving after all materials are added. After the set is created, upon the publish receipt of the document, you will have the option to disassemble the set, which will list the details under separate serial numbers in the system. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on sets. Let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You know now what a set is, you know how to create sets in Tom Pitt, and you know the inner workings and importance of sets in the logistic process. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.